Hello everyone!
Hello.
Today is Sunday and we have the most glorious weather and we are in Bickerton Hill.
Yeah, which is the site of an ancient Iron Age fort.
It's in Cheshire and there are very nice views from up here. We will show you in a second. And well, we brought a tiny, we can't really call it picnic because we only brought strawberries and a cake. And yeah, we just want to spend a couple of hours here and enjoy.
And relax.
Yeah, relax and enjoy the nice weather. Yeah, so let's get started. This is our little picnic basket and I brought some drinks and looking forward to spending some time here. Okay, we brought strawberries and a very nice lemon drizzle cake. I baked that one yesterday and as you can see we already tried it. It's amazing, it's really nice and it was the first time and it's so easy to make. I filmed it and well, I will show it now. So if you want to make it, give it a go. It's really tasty and works wonderfully with gluten-free flour. So here's the recipe and we'll see you again in a bit. As promised, I'm going to make the lemon drizzle cake now. This again is another Mary Berry recipe because her recipes are just amazing and it's quite funny. Joerg loves everything that has lemon in it and we've never made the lemon drizzle cake, although it's one of his favourite cakes in the world. Yet it's so simple, at least it sounds very simple to make. And I'm using gluten-free flour and I had a look into the recipe and decided to add 1/3 of the ingredients only because gluten-free flour just has the tendency that it doesn't rise as high as regular flour. So if you use regular flour, just stick to the recipe. I will link it down below in the description box. And now let's start. Fingers crossed. Looking forward to that cake. I already greased the tin and then you need flour, butter, lemon zest, eggs, caster sugar and baking powder. And now I'm just going to mix everything together and then it goes into the oven for 40 minutes. Okay, let's bake. And now I'm going to make the drizzle. This is granulated sugar because Mary Berry says you have to use granulated sugar for the drizzle. And you also need the juice of 1 lemon. That's the cake and I'm going to poke some holes into the cake for the drizzle. And this isn't actually in the recipe, but we have some juice left and I'm going to use that so it can sink into the cake because I think it gives it a very nice flavour. Okay. I forgot to mention that you have to do this while the cake is still warm. And now I'm adding the drizzle and then just leave the cake to cool. And you see, that was so easy to make, and it smells really nice, and I bet it is very good. Yeah. Have some cake. Try your cake. Although you already know how it tastes, but still. It turned out so well. And we also brought Victorian lemonade because we really like it and it's perfect for summer. Cheers.
Cheers.
Or in German,
Prost.
Prost. Nice.
Ja.
We are packing up now, and there are nice views here everywhere. There's supposed to be a very nice one over there, so we're going to have a look and film for you. And we're hiding the basket. We're hiding the basket just for 5 minutes. So this is a very nice view, and over there you can't really see it, but this is where Liverpool is. Yuck. But I think it's very nice up here. It's a beautiful area. Very, very nice. And I just said we should come back for Nordic walking because you can walk for miles up here. Considering the fact that Cheshire is very flat, this hill is quite stunning. And Bickerton Hill belongs to the National Trust, so what we'll do is we'll link their website down below in the description box because we think it's really worth visiting. Well, especially if you live nearby. And some of you might remember, I think a couple of weeks ago we did a very nice walk around Peckforton Castle.
Yeah, Peckforton and Beeston Castle.
Yes, Peckforton and Beeston Castle. And behind us is the small village of Peckforton, and there are some very nice houses, and yeah, we just want to film a bit.
Yeah, it's lovely here.
Yes. Well, it's just a couple of houses, but still, they are really nice, aren't they?
Yes. It's a nice English village.
Yes. Always love the thatched roof cottages. They always look so, well, very romantic.
Yeah.
And quintessentially English.
Yeah.
That was a very nice day.
Yeah, a lovely picnic.
Yes, glorious weather. And we ended it in Peckforton. Is it called village, Joerg?
Yeah, it's village.
Because I would call it hamlet. There are like 5 or 6 houses, I don't know. But very nice ones. And we hope you liked the video. And as always, we will see you again very soon.
Yeah, and stay safe.
Stay safe. Take care, guys. Bye.
Bye.